Number first, what is Microsoft Excel and what is its utilization? Microsoft Excel is a product of Microsoft Office for businesses. Basically, Microsoft Excel is available in the different versions. The old versions were 2007, 10, and the most recently used versions were 2016 and 2019, and waiting for the more latest one. So Microsoft Excel is used to format, organize, and calculate the data in a separate spreadsheet. It is used for calculating the different formulas, creating different charts to organize your data in a presentable manner. So this is what Microsoft Excel is used for. And second one is the introduction about the blank workbook worksheet. The document in which I am, this whole document is called workbook, the Excel workbook. Within this workbook, there are different tabs. You can see one tab is summary tab, then is a formulas tab, then shortcuts tab. These all tabs, these are called the Microsoft Excel worksheet. One workbook can have multiple worksheets. You can create the new workbook. You can go to this file tab, and if you click on this, then there is a new option. If you click on the new, so it will you want the new blank workbook, or you can choose any of them, which is the standard, the template workbook. I'll go back, so I'll stick with this workbook. And for the worksheet, you can create as many worksheets as you want. There's a plus button here. If you click on this, so it will create a blank worksheet for you. You can perform your calculation, you can organize your data in this blank worksheet. I don't want this, so simply right click, and then there is a delete option. Click on this option, and then it will be deleted from your records. And in terms of rows and columns, you can see the number 1, 2, 3, 4. These are all rows of Microsoft Excel, and Microsoft Excel has more than a million rows. If I go down to the bottom, you can see it has more than a million rows. If I go up, and then the next thing is column, you can see A, B, C. These are the column names. By default, the column name is the alphabetic name and the rows names are numeric name. So if I go to the far right hand side, you can see the column name XFD. So there are over 16,000 columns which help you to organize a large set of data as well. If I go back here, so you can utilize all the rows in Microsoft Excel, you can utilize all the columns in Microsoft Excel. It's up to you how you want to use this. And in terms of changing the worksheet color, if I right click this tab, which is the worksheet, you can change the tab color. I can change any color. For example, you want to keep it red, so if I select red, so it will show this worksheet, this summary worksheet color has been changed to the normal color, from normal color to the red color. So if I just want to change again, I select the no color. So you can change the color of these worksheet one by one, or the multiple worksheet, whatever you want. Okay, so and another thing is you can create as multiple worksheet as you want. It's your choice.